What's up, everybody? Joe Simpson here. It's that time again. It is mystery tackle box time, March 2018. I'm going to get right into it. I'm going to just open up the box. I'm going to focus on the lures, and I'm going to make it quick so I don't put you through a lot of painful dialogue that you don't feel like listening to today. I'm going to cut right into it. No games, no prisoners. See what we got. I've never opened the box, so I don't know what's in here. So I'll be just as surprised as you will be. Wow, something stinks really bad in here. I mean, it smells awful. All right, so first thing we have is this thing called the Runt. Check that out. That's kind of cool. Let me get a little closer for you. This thing is called the Runt. It is by a company called Catchco. I've had stuff from them before. It looks like a little lipped crankbait type thing with some feather trailer, and it looks like a little sausage-shaped doohickey. Let's pull it out of here. And how different. I can't wait to get that out in the water to see how that thing will do and what it moves like. But very neat details. I like the hooks. The weight is decently heavy. I don't know if it's a sinker or it's probably like maybe like a little jerkbait floater. I'll have to read up on it. This is a pack of craws. I'm not going to open this because I know they stank, and you see right here it says actually stank. I saw Kiss My Sweet Bass open them up, and she just basically had pungent look on her face. So I'm going to trust her reaction that these stink real bad. And with this, it looks like they send flip and jig body with some tassels, really high quality looking stuff, also from Catchco. Two nice little combinations here. We have some smart baits. These things, I might have to pull these out to show you what they are. They are color changing baits. Yeah, these are kind of like a little cinnamon color. The little arms are connected. Yeah, a little cinnamon color. They're kind of a flat belly. The arms are connected. I think you could probably pull those off and get some dance and stuff going on there. Those are real cool. Nice meaty body, and they do have a little stink to them. Not a whole lot. Looks like there's 3, maybe 4 in the pack. That's kind of cool. They like split the different bristles that lay over your hooks and kind of make them stand up in a different way. Let me give you a closer look at that so you can see it yourself. Yeah, this is them here. They're called brush bands, and you can kind of see how they're explained on how they go on there, and they look kind of like this right there. I'm starting to see a little bit of a repeat pattern with these boxes, and it looks like I'm going to be doubling up on some baits and building an arsenal of similar items, especially when it comes to the plastics. I'd like to see more hard body in the basic configurations, because those, especially some unique ones like this, those are things that you could grab and try out different things. But I mean, some crawdads and a jig head, kind of down the middle, in my opinion. Nothing super special. Hopefully the stink works. And then also the smart baits color changing thing, that's kind of cool. But I haven't really seen anything that blows my socks off in a couple of boxes. They just kind of seem to be the same, but it could just be the winter blues. There's not a whole lot of different things you're supposed to throw in the winter. You know, Senko, slow moving plastics, crankbaits, jerk baits, you name it, umbrella rigs. There's just not a lot going on. So, and quite frankly, when you're fishing, a lot of times your baits are going to be one of 10 different things you're going to use. Now, knowing when to use it, how to use it, time of day, where to throw it, that type of thing, that's where the experience comes in. So I do like the mystery tackle box. I do think the last couple of boxes have been kind of average, but you know, I need to get out and try some of these baits too, and I haven't been fishing a whole lot, so I'm just grumpy in general. I haven't been feeling good, and I haven't been fishing enough, so maybe I'm just in a bad mood. But I do have a cool sticker. I'll be sure to put that sticker on my little camera box to increase my level of cool, and just keep getting after it, man. So I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Sorry if I was like a downer. I feel like I'm in like a grumpy jerk or something, but anyway, here it is, Mystery Tackle Box March. I can't wait for the good weather, man. I'm so sick of this cold weather. I just need to get out and fish. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I got more coming. Caught a couple fish this weekend. I'll pop together a couple catch videos, but other than that, please subscribe. Please keep coming back, and I do appreciate every single person that watches my videos, and especially those who like it. And even I like all the comments, good ones, bad ones. If you guys don't like stuff that I do, let me know, because I'm all ears, and I'm definitely not a pro, and I can always use tips and advice. And keep rocking, keep fishing. See you guys later.